Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2013 1 millionth anniversary edition Suzuki GSX-R 1000. This bike is numbered 1149 out of 1985 and is in awesome condition. It does have a couple of little imperfections on it, and it has just under 1,600 miles on it. So let's take a walk around it. I'll show you the couple of highlights on it, a couple of imperfections that I found, and then we'll fire it up. Like I said, this is an anniversary edition, so 1 millionth sold. The tires on it are still in excellent condition, got plenty of miles left on those. So here's one of those little weird spots. Camera in here to focus. So almost like something fell on it. I mean, the bike doesn't show any signs that it was ever tipped over or laid down. So, I mean, everything else on it is nice and clean. I don't know, maybe it tipped over against something on this side. Hard to say, but that looks like something fell on it. This looks like it was rubbed against something, maybe the wall. And we got a couple of little marks here. So, one of the things that's got on it is a passenger seat cowl, along with a fender eliminator. Back tire as well, got plenty of miles on it. I mean, you can tell this tire isn't even hardly used. Maybe they bent it over once, twice, but this bike hasn't hardly been ridden to its potential. White wheels are in great shape, really sharp. The passenger seat cowl and the fender eliminator are the two aftermarket accessories on it. And I'm almost guessing the passenger cowl is probably OEM, but I don't know that. Alright. There's the badge. And here's the plate. I don't know if you're going to be able to make the numbers out or not in the video. It's a decent picture of it. It's a number 1149, so 1531 is the mileage that's on it. Let's set the camera down here. This GSX-R 1000 limited edition will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this collector's item from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course your accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com. Yeah, .com.